Good morning, y'all. It is a great day to have a great day. Today, we are going to be doing a full day of eating, and I'm going to take you through workout number 3 of my Be the Best You 30-day full body fit guide. If you guys want to check that out, you can down below. It's completely free, but today is going to be shoulders and a little bit of chest and some core. But I wanted to show you guys what I currently am doing before I go to the gym. So I pretty much get up really early to go to the gym, around like 5:30. Today we are getting a late start just because we went to bed really late last night. But what I like to do in the morning is just eat a granola bar. This is oats and honey. There is 190 calories in these. I was doing a single packet of oatmeal, but there wasn't as many calories in the oatmeal as there is in this granola bar. So I eat this granola bar first thing in the morning on my way to the gym, and then when I come home, that's when I have my real breakfast, and I'll show you guys what that is after this workout.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like. You're told, but I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like.
Back from the gym, I have my oatmeal. This is one packet. It's the maple sugar brown cinnamon, and then I have my post-workout protein shake. Do not mind my nails, I need to repaint them. This is what I like to have right after the gym. It has roughly about 500-600 calories. I don't track my food or calories anymore just because I know how much I should be intaking. I do like to have a nice carb source right after I work out, and then some protein that does have some carbs. There is greens and reds in here, which will help with my overall intake of veggies and fruit. Antioxidants, it will also help with bloating and overall stomach health, and it's just really, really delicious. And then in about an hour, I will have my next little breakfast, so I will show you guys that in a minute. Well, probably in real time it'll be like in an hour, but in YouTube time it's like 5 seconds. Now that I have showered and I'm out of my gym clothes, put the dry shampoo in, it is time for my second meal of the day. Now this is gonna be breakfast meal, like the big breakfast meal, which is going to be an egg sandwich, and then I am going to eat a banana with it. So actually I need to grab the banana, but got my banana. I'm going to eat this before my sandwich gets cold. I got a banana. It's about 12 o'clock right now. It's actually 12:04, and this is when I like to have kind of a midday snack. So my midday snack is going to be a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I have a ton of peanut butter in here. Then I have a glass of water here. I really try to drink a whole glass of water with every meal and then drink water throughout the day. I like to keep my meals like really simple. I've noticed I'm the type of person that simplicity works best for me, and these meals have really helped me put on weight and have made me feel the best I've felt in a while. They don't hurt my stomach. I don't feel bloated. I feel full. I feel great. And I'm gonna stop rambling because this food is looking just delicioso. So it's about 4 o'clock right now, and I completely spaced on showing you guys what my lunch was. Caleb's brother came over and picked up their dog because we were watching him for a few days. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I ate, even though I already ate it. Oh, watch out, Rusty. So for lunch, all I had were 6 of these Gardein nuggets, and then I had some mashed potatoes, and then I had some zucchini. So that way I'm getting some vegetables in there, you know, because I did just have some processed food. But I don't always eat Gardein nuggets, only when it is convenient. Today was really convenient just because I've been all over the place with work, and it's just been one of those days. But in a few hours, around 6 o'clock, that's when I'm gonna have dinner, and I'll show you guys what that is. I'm going to get back to work, and then I'll show you guys dinner in a few hours.
So baby, come and take my hand tonight, and know that everything will be alright when we dance and we fall and we don't care at all. Now we just sing the la 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 la
Dinner is served. Tonight's dinner is a protein bowl, and this is a vegan power protein bowl. This is something I've been eating for like the last 3 weeks. I kind of intermix it between lunch and dinner. Sometimes I'll have it for lunch, sometimes for dinner. Tonight it's dinner, and I have about 3 cups of rice in here, white rice, and then we have a good amount of corn and black beans, and then I have some Gardein nuggets in there as well. I usually use my own tofu, and I'll make it kind of like a sweet and sour tofu bowl, but I didn't have any more tofu, and Gardein nuggets were in the fridge. It was easy, it was convenient, and sometimes you just gotta go with convenient. And then I like to throw a lot of salsa on there if I'm not using the sweet and sour tofu and the sauce. But I am gonna eat this, and then I am going to show you guys the last meal of the day. That is gonna be my protein shake, but I will show you guys that in the next like few seconds, but next few hours in real time. It is the end of the night, and the end of the night always means it is time for a protein shake. So this is actually 2 protein shakes in one. I drink 2.5 protein shakes per day, and the protein that I do use is the First Form Vegan Power Pro protein in chocolate. It's really good. It's not grainy like most vegan protein powders are. And then I like to add the First Form Opti Reds 50, and then I add in a full scoop of the Opti Greens 50. This is going to give me my micronutrients, which is going to be from vegetables. My stomach after surgery, I can't have a ton of vegetables because it gets just very bloated and uncomfortable. So this is a great way for me to get in those essential vitamins in the vegetables. So I am going to but I am gonna drink this, clean up this kitchen, watch our show, and head to bed. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this full day of eating and the workout that you saw earlier, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Sing like